Alright, we're here working on Buddy's truck again today, but today we'll be doing the rear struts. And it should be a little easier, but what we're going to be looking at today is these two bolts on this strut, the rear strut. You just got to take those two bolts out, and I believe they're both the 14 in this case. It's a long bolt. And let's finish it. Alright. Get that one out. Let's take the top one out. There's that one. But I can get both the bolts out. The strut's a little bit tight, so I mean, I got the top ring out, but you just gotta pop it. You know, just pop it off. Yeah, that's just a little on there. Just a little corrosion, makes it sticky. Alright, cool. We'll get some sandpaper on there, we'll clean it up real good. Be no big deal. Alright, so we're back with our shock. And the pressure drawn open. And I thought it would come more with more than that, like some hardware or something, other than the collar. It comes with collars, but you don't need them for this application, I don't reckon. But I guess this one's just more away from the weather. It's in good condition, it's still oily, but this one was just really rusty, so I came down here with the sanding block and just made it a little more smooth. But we got the strut. We'll go ahead and grab our strut and just hook it up to the top. Alright. Come up here. Install the bolt right up in there. Alright. Just go ahead and push it up to remove our little plastic, and then as soon as she expands enough to get on this one right here, we'll throw it on. Like that, just like that. Got our old bushing. And I lost my bolt on. There it is. So we got our bolts and whatnot. We're just gonna put them right back in. Just go ahead and tighten them all back on up. And come up here and do the top one. Some tight. Alright, that's that side. And we're back in here. We're just gonna undo the lower mount. And there she comes. And like the other side, it's real hard on there, so I might have some trouble. But then we're gonna come up here to this top bolt right here, and we're just gonna loosen it up. And I'm gonna take the bolt all the way out. And we'll see what it's gonna take to get these struts out of here. I guess the bottom bolt just gets all corroded because it's getting splashed on and whatnot from the wheel. Corroded. The bottom one's a little more corroded than the top, because the top seems to just wiggle on loose. And I find that if you take this off and then it's already blown, so it's just gonna smash down, not really do much, but you can flip it around and kind of just prod on it, just wiggle it till it just breaks free. Just a little more corroded than the rest of it. And that'll do it. We'll just come in here and sand up that one a little bit and then grease it up and throw the new one in. Alright, so now we got them greased up. We're gonna go ahead and grab our strut. Go ahead and slip it on the top boot so she hangs. Alright. Go ahead and just tighten her up, you know. And then we'll compress the shock a little bit just to get our little band off. And then she'll just expand all the way down to our hoop. Go ahead and catch it right when it gets right there. Boom. There you have it. There you have it, folks. Go ahead and tighten your bottom. Squeeze them together. That's it. After you tighten up your bottom and your top bolt, that's it. You ready to rock? I mean, there you have it, fellas. We got. Dang, you can't even see that one. That one's in there, but you know, y'all get the picture. But anyways, I really appreciate y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and gained some kind of information from it. But I'll see y'all later. That's it for this one. Doses.